Chinese fried breadstick มื้อนี้สิมาพาเฮ็ดปลาตั้งโกกิน We have to start with 4 cup of not all-purpose today. I use the self-rising flour. You can use any kind. I use these. 4 cup of the flour, self-rising. But first, we have to have 2 cup of warm water, not hot, not cold. It have to be warm. That's very important. And I need to add 3 tablespoons of white sugar into my water. If you like it sweet, you can add one more, but I eat them with condensed milk, so I don't need to be sweet. We do not, for this recipe, we do not need to add any baking powder because self-rising already had baking powder in here. All we need to add is dry yeast. We need 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. 1, 2, mix well. You can use any brand. Same thing to the salt. I'm not adding it in because self-rising is already salty. Some brand is way too salty anyway. But if you're using all-purpose, you have to use baking powder and salt. This mix well. I'm gonna let it sit here. And we also need 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Mix them well. If you like, normally I would wait at least 2 minutes to let the yeast rise a little bit, but we don't have that much time today. So you can do it at home. You don't have to, but it's better. It makes the dough rise better, faster. So you can wait 2 minutes before you actually mix it in here. I'm not gonna wait today. You're gonna make a hole in here. Pour it in. Clean hand. Now we're making a dough. You really have to massage this thing, okay? keep massaging until it almost look like a pizza dough. You see when I pull my hand out, it start ripping. That is not good yet. When you pull it back, it should rip. See this? It's good now. I'm gonna keep it in here. And then I'm gonna put a plastic wrapper over here, over the bowl. Or the aluminum foil is fine. We just don't want air to go in there, that's all. Just make sure you seal the top very good. That all. Okay now. I am using the aluminum foil, so it's easier to seal. And then I'm gonna put this in a warm place. I'm gonna put it inside my oven, and then I'm gonna turn on the oven light, not the heat, just the light, just to make it humid in there. I'm gonna keep it in there for at least 3 to 4 hours. If you can do it for 4 hours, that will be perfect. I'll see you with the second video when I start deep frying them, okay?